Most people, when they do use preframes, if they use preframes, number one, they say the wrong thing. They preframe the wrong way. And number two, they say it just before the communication. So for example, one thing I hear people say all the time is they'll start a sentence by saying, now don't take this the wrong way. What are you thinking now? It almost doesn't matter what comes after that preframe, that beginning of the sentence. Whatever comes after, you're probably going to take the wrong way. Or people say, now don't be offended. Now what are you doing? You're listening for offense, right? Or in sales, people would say, I don't want you to think this is too expensive. What are people thinking now? They're already thinking it's too expensive because you have pre-framed it. So most of the preframes that people use are actually leading people in the wrong direction, right? Rather than saying, don't take this the wrong way, you might want to say, I know you're going to take this the right way, right? Rather than saying, don't be offended, you might say, you'll find this funny. Rather than saying, I don't want you to think this is too expensive, you might say, perhaps you'll find this affordable.